Good afternoon from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Wednesday, November the 18th market update. On the economic front, the monthly consumer price index, the CPI data, came in at 0.3%, a little higher than the consensus of 0.2%. Monthly housing starts data was also released this morning, coming in at a minus 10.6%, much weaker than expected. And because of that, the market opened much weaker, but did manage to claw its way back to basically flat by the close. The dollar closed down today. Gold, silver, copper, and oil all closed up. Oil was up 44 cents to settle at $79.58 a barrel. Let's go take a look at the Dow chart. The Dow closed down 11 points to close at 10,426. The S&P closed down a whole 52 cents to close at 1,109, and the Nasdaq closed down 10 points to close at 2,193. The S&P had the smallest loss at 0.05%. So the Dow we're still hanging around up here, still looking good. We still do have this resistance, this uptrend resistance that's been resistance all the way up here. Dates clear back to March. All right. I do like it that the MACD, we were going down as we were going up. It's crossed back across this downtrend line I've got drawn on my MACD. That is a positive to me. Let's go look at the SPX. SPX is also crossed across here, just barely on the MACD on my downtrend line I've drawn. Still hanging around up here. There's no bears to be found right now in the market. The volume may not be great, but I guess the bears have gone into their winter hibernation. Let's look at the SPX on the 60-minute chart. I'm a little concerned we may be running right into this uptrend line on the 60-minute chart here. We may run into that. That may be resistance right here. We'll have to wait and see how that pans out. MACD still is kind of declining. It looks like it's trying to level off right here, which would be positive. So let's see. We are definitely kind of due for some type of a pullback. So I would expect at some point we have one soon. Let's go over and take a look at the gold and silver ETFs. The GLD closed up again today. Keeps on cruising, got tons of volume. Let's look at SLV, the silver ETF. Also closed up today. Looking good. Looks like it's getting a little tired here. We'll have to see, but still got a lot of volume. So the dollar keeps weakening. I'm sure they'll just keep going higher over time. Six of the 16 sectors we follow finished in the green today. The bank index had the biggest percent gain again today. It was up over 1%. The weakest sector was the gold index, which was down 1.41%. Let's take a look at the VIX, the volatility index. It lost another 3.48% today. Just keeps on going down. It's incredible. We are getting near this uptrend line. We may bounce when we get to it. We're almost there now. So we may have some pullback in the market when we get there. The chemical manufacturing stocks, the AKA fertilizer stocks, had another great day today. I do want to point out to the subscribers that the InvestSharp's November stock of the month, which was China Green Agriculture, which is symbol CGA, had an incredible day today. It was up over $3.51 or almost 27% on news that it had been granted a tax exemption by the National Taxation Bureau of Yangling High-Tech Development. And not paying this value-added tax will save them about 13%. So they were buying it with both hands today. It was incredible. Look at this volume. It normally has like what, 300 and some thousand shares. It traded 3.9 million today. It was over 400% above average. Woo, nice. Gotta love it. Our buy price was right around $13.35 on this stock, and that, of course, we bought it in the middle of October. So far so good. Let's go over and take a look at the current market signals. The InvestSharp website. We follow the point and figure charts on the Dow, the Nasdaq, and S&P. All three indices are on buy signals, and there were no changes in the point and figure price objectives today. I did mention yesterday the Nasdaq has support around that 2190 area, and it did hold again today. Of course, I am a little skeptical here that we can hold up at these lofty levels, but hey, it is what it is, and we're still holding, at least for today anyway. See, for tomorrow we've got the weekly jobless claims, and we've got the Philly Fed survey. So tomorrow might get a little volatile. We'll just have to wait and see. Also wanted to tell everybody to be sure and go over to the InvestSharp website at www.investsharp.com and register for our holiday giveaway. You can win one of two one-year memberships, and there's no purchase necessary. So you just come to the site, come right here to the holiday giveaway, click on it. All you need is your name and email, and you can register to win a one-year membership. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and remember to always invest sharp.